Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete purchase history on Walmart's application. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Walmart's application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections and you're gonna find the yourself in the shop section. You can also see the My Items section, the Source section, Services, and lastly, Account. As you can see, guys, right here in Account, firstly, you're going to see the sign in option if you're not signed into your account. Under it, you're going to find the purchase history. Basically, guys, if you have purchased any products on Walmart's application, it will appear right here. So you can also you can track the orders, and you can also delete your purchase history. As you can see, guys, my purchase history is empty. If you click on track order, you need to sign in, and then you will be able to track any current order. So if you want to order any item on Walmart's application, just go to the shop section, go to the search bar, and then search for any product. For example, I'm going to search for a PS5, and then right here in the results, just choose any option that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And then right here, you're going to find the names and pictures, shipping methods, and the protection plan. Go ahead and click on add to cart. And then for example, I'm going to decline, click on cart, add to cart, and then right here, you can check out. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.